Hi everybody, I'm Tie-Dye Jeff. Most of you know me, and I'm here for one reason. I'm here to change your life, and I'm going to change your life in 6 months. What you want is financial security for you and your family, and that's something that I can provide. How? Just look outside. Look at the cars going by, look at people walking by. Think of everybody you know or everybody you have known. They have one thing in common, pretty much only one thing, and that one thing is that they all love ice cream. Every one of them. Everybody on this earth loves ice cream. In my boot camp, I'm going to cover the who, what, where, why, and how to go about this journey. The who is you, but not only you, it's you and your family, maybe even your friends, all those people close to you. The what? We're going to open up an ice cream business. You have many options in that. You can open up an ice cream store, you can do an ice cream truck, you can do a trailer. There's many, many options. The where will surprise you because it's not what you think. It's not the highest traffic area in your neighborhood with the biggest supermarkets. That's not where to do this. The where will definitely surprise you, and it's going to save you a ton of money. The how, step by step, how to do this. Everything you need will be covered in concise and short steps. I'm going to give you a workbook so you can write in and follow along. I'm going to give you a videotape with hours and hours of video instruction. Then finally, you're going to get recipes which will carry you through this journey. Up to 100 recipes proven in their effectiveness to sell ice cream. The why is very simple, because from this point on, your life will change. So now you know the who, what, where, why, and how. The how is the important part, because I have developed a boot camp course that will take you through all these steps, and you can get that boot camp course now.